Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ferdiansyah, and I am with my friends.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal.
We are going to explain and present about our project, Responsive Web, if Webtoons. Okay, first will be explained by Iqbal.
So before we move on to our website, we're going to explain what our website is about. Our website is a webcomic reading website to provide users with many comics to read and to serve as a gateway between readers and artists so users can support the artists as well.
Next, about our website components, will also explained by Iqbal and me.
So the components that is used to make this website, well, the first component is HTML or hypertext markup language to make the website itself. The second one is CSS or the cascading style sheet to apply styles to the HTML tags and makes them more attractive for users to see.
The third is Bootstrap. In this case and in this project, we use Bootstrap JS, and we use Bootstrap for CSS for web responsive. Next is JSON. JSON is in this case in the project is which for include the database into our project. Next, Angular will be explained by Iqbal.
So the fifth component of the website is AngularJS, or a framework to make the website more responsive. Lastly, JavaScript. JavaScript is used for the coding or the functionality of the website.
Okay, we'll go next. Configuration and software of our website is I tested this project in my CPU which is Intel i7 processor with 250 gigabytes HDD and 8 gigabytes of RAM. We use two software like Microsoft Studio Code and Sublime Text 3, which is include a live server in their software. And the OS I use is Microsoft Windows 10. And also I store the data in GitHub. So the GitHub is for storing the data. Okay, next we will go to our project. This is of our projects look like. This one is play screen. The read more button or I use in this case is input is also redirect to comic read. This one is use carousel image or something like that, and Bootstrap will count the new comic. This one also click it and redirect to our comic. This one is what is it? Look our comic like, and this one is Comic Connect is our main event to our readers and our comicus. Next is reviews. Our reviews of our what is it? Our comic. And the last one is the top comments of if Webtoons. And follow us button is also clicked and redirect to Instagram, such as Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. This one button is also redirect to home, contact, review, or many more. In comic, we use two comic. The premium comic. Wait a second. The premium comic is for if you click the premium comic, you must log in first, and I will explain that later. And we first go to free comic. This one is a free comic. You can choose a next page and next page, and this one is like that, and oh yeah, I almost forget. Our home is like this in iPhone X display like this. Our website is like this in iPhone X. So you can choose the comic and choose the free comic. This will look like a free comic in iPhone X or website phone. Next is about use read for comics like this. This one is skip or next with next button. In website computer is like this. You can zoom it, so easy can you read, and you can next with next button or like this one and previews, and you can cancel by click the X button, and you can choose the episode, which is this one is not I'm included. So I will next to contact, and the contact will be explained by Iqbal.
So here in the contact us, it is basically a form for users and authors alike to give us a feedback, and it is made using CSS, HTML, and Angular for the validation. As you can see there, if we type the wrong amount of characters, it will give a help notification that says it is invalid.
So if wrong, okay, send a message. Oh, I'm forget the link in this case also redirecting. Next review.
So in the review, there is in the review there are several stuffs here, there as well as notify an email and a countdown for when it is going to be released, probably. Users can put their email in that form to receive a notification when the website is up and running. Next.
Next, about us. In about us is explain about our website, where who built this website, and this one is made by Jason. So the data of our Comicus or our web developer is made by Jason. So the data is going to here, and this one is our story of our website. This one is location, which is I use Google Maps for this location. This one is my house actually. And then just like that, home and index are like many more contents in our website. This is our footer, and this is our look. Wait a second. Our about us in this one is about us in iPhone X in mobile. Next, we will login. Login form we can redirect from premium comic, or you can just click the login button. And this one, if login, if you doesn't input a username of password, will be explain the alert, and username and password must not be blank, and give the alert to enter the username and enter the password, and the password is also can seen or unseen. And if the password is less than egg number or egg what is it, alphabet, it will be give alert password must be of a minimum 8 characters. So we will 8 character or more. Welcome back the username. If we click OK, it will redirect to your premium comic. But Iqbal will explain you about sign up first or register.
So here is our register page. Our register page consists of several text fields for the users to fill. And if any of the text fields are not inputted correctly with the corresponding rules or what the text field wants, it will give an alert that says, please enter valid data. But if the user actually inputted the right way of the right values to each text field, the website will give an alert that says, do you want to confirm these details? And if the user press OK, it will say, it will ask if they want to be redirected or cancel the registration form. And if they click OK, they will redirect to the login page.
Next, we will premium comic. After you login, you will be redirect to our premium comic, and you can press in this website. The difference between the free website and premium comic is all just log out button, and you can read premium and free comic. This is the example of our premium comic, and the home of this website is little bit same with previous website. Just the difference is a logout button for redirect to previous button. And also forget to explain you in website, a mobile website. This is a login. So this one is premium. And the logout button is also in there. So we'll be log out and back to free comics if you log out the comics. And the last thing, this project is also stored in my GitHub, Mamangans GitHub. And if Webtoons, the name is if Webtoons Finals. And if you open this, what is it? This comic or index or whatever is like this. And if you open the our project in Webtoons, it's the same like before. And that's all. These are from That's all from our project. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.